Yeah, bro. I want to show you how to use a pentatonic lead. I showed you a pentatonic, mm, chord. I showed you. Okay. Uh, this is I showed you in the key of F. Okay. This is the key of F. Okay. I showed you in the key of F. This is the key of F. Okay. Okay. And I show you something like this. So now I want us to do that lesson in the key of G. It's a key of G. That is the key of G. Okay. Okay. So yeah, this is your pentatonic shape. So you play the same shape there, okay, on that key of G, okay. So I want you to listen to these songs I played, this backing track, so you can understand how to use the pentatonic. Okay. This is what I'm playing. Okay, 2, go, 1. Mi so. Mi so la la la. Okay. Now I played Do La So, okay? Do La So Mi. I played Do La So Mi. Ti ti. How it sounds. I played the first one I played Mi So La La La. Okay. Okay. Okay, because the progression of that song is do 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 so 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 la la do 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 so 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 la la. so I played. Okay, mi fa la la la. Okay, mi fa la la la. Re, do re mi fa mi. Okay. Now go to so, so. Okay, so, so. Now play. Do re, so, so mi. Do re mi so mi. Okay, now play. Do re mi so mi. So la do re do. So la do re do. So la do re do. Okay, and I play re mi so mi fa. Now going to your va chord. Okay, your va chord. Okay, now. Okay, that is how you can start understanding how to use pentatonic. Then I played. So this T here is a so. Okay, it's a so. Now play again. Okay, stuff like that. You can start learning how to play stuff like that. Okay, it will help you. Okay. Okay, so that is how you can start understanding how to use your pentatonic, okay, to make some simple soloing in your basic progression. You can start on that progressions, the 1, 5, 6, and 4 progression. It's very simple. Do, so, la, and va. Okay. All right.